All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Bulletproof Traders in the house today with the crypto market. Crypto trade of the day, Solana, is under the microscope today, and we just taken some action here. I mean, you can see what is happening. Price action went straight, boom, to the secondary target and key resistance of 165.34. At this point, I do believe it's going to crack that level and shoot straight to the next one, which is actually our primary target, 178.74. Nevertheless, we had two trades here. The first one was kind of heavy, and it had a lot of profit on it. So I decided to take it off the table, start, securing some profit. Now, I left the second trade open, and it's a smaller trade. This one is 10,000. The first one was 25,000. But I do want to jump back in. So, I mean, at this point, obviously, this is kind of what you call an inflection point, where it's a make or break, right? So price is either going to break or potentially start a technical correction that I suspect would be local still. It's not the best spot to open a buy trade if price is going to spend a few days now bending over, if you know what I mean, right? So at this point, I'm ready to double up immediately with the first sign of price action starting to cross over 165.34. I'm probably not going to wait for a daily close confirmation because it might be too late, right? We might have tomorrow a day where it's going to shoot straight to the target. So we don't want to miss that part, because that's the juicy part of the whole move. Up until now, it's been nice, but this was the warm-up stage. Yeah, the second stage is really the primary, the most important stage, part of that move that we need to be able to capture. So yeah, the first the minute pricing starts to drill through, I'm probably going to double up. Later down the road, we'll see how it goes. I'm probably going to watch it a little bit closer than usual, and at some point maybe triple up, and then just cruise to the target, I suppose. But stop loss level should also be adjusted, right? It's probably a good time. We'll just push it to 145 in case there's going to be a violent correction. We don't want to be, spiked out unnecessarily. But I don't think it's going to do that. I think it's going to go straight to the cracking phase, where it was going to try to overcome this obstacle that is 165.34. That's all I can say, to be honest, about the Solana, because here, as opposed to other assets that we have right now currently open, we have 4. We do have a contingency plan for the medium to long term situation. Not here. So 178.74, that's the end of the road for us. There's no more trying to squeeze any more juice out of this. The upside potential, again, like I said, is limited because we have a wall of resistance sitting not too far above our primary target. Right, our primary target is almost 179, and there's a wall of resistance 186. I don't think I'm gonna try to chase that little gap there. Probably too risky. And obviously, I also don't see anything going for me above 186.21, even if it's going to break it. This is the sketchy part where I cannot predict where it's going to go or where it's going to turn around, right? And start heading south. At the end of the day, it is a trading range. I mean, very wide, but it started back in March 2024. And we've had a few back and forth already. I can count 3. That's easy. Actually, the 4th one is right now under construction, if you think about it. Right? It's probably going to penetrate into that upper section, but it can't say how far it's going to go. We're probably going to shift you know, our target, our focus, if you will, to other you know, interesting opportunities that will arise from different coins. All right, guys. So yeah, Solana, but yeah, short term, we're right there, right? And yeah, I'm really hyped up about this. I'm looking forward. Can't wait to see how the next stage is going to unfold. That's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Wishing you a great trading day. We'll be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.